Okay, when a project is moved into operations, we'll know what the Bluebeam session ID is because it'll be listed on the PM dashboard of the portal. But when the project is still in the pre-con phase, we need a spot where we can always put what the session ID is. And so we're going to keep that always in the checklist folder. To get that information here, first we're going to want to go and pull up Bluebeam. And here we're within the session that we want. I'm going to just left click on the session and I'm going to go to settings. Here it's going to bring it up and it shows what my session ID is. I'm going to highlight that. I'm going to hit Control C to copy it. If I go back to my checklist folder, now I'm going to right click in the folder. I'm going to go to New and I'm going to go down to Text Document. This is going to open a text document. I'm going to immediately hit Control V, and that's going to copy that session ID into there. Now when anyone goes into the checklist folder for this project, they'll immediately know what the session ID is, and when the job moves into operations, we will copy this into the portal.